Hey guys, Jeff here with GYEON USA, and today we're going to take a closer look at the all-new GYEON Q² Pure EVO ceramic paint coating, pure ceramic protection. So what's new about the GYEON EVO line of paint coatings? Everything. Every single formulation has been improved to offer a leap forward in durability, chemical resistance, and user experience. Pure EVO is our classic SiO2-based formula with the GYEON Touch. It carries the maximum percentage of SiO2 possible in a ceramic coating that builds a thick, durable layer easily. Now this layer is very chemical resistant, which means it will protect great against water spots. So if you operate your car in a wet, rainy, or snowy climate, this is the coating for you. Now this layer offers 36 plus months durability with proper maintenance. Now let's talk about looks. One word, gloss. If you like a wet, glassy finish to your paint, Pure EVO is the one for you. It offers a noticeable darkening effect that enhances your blues, blacks, and reds for even more brilliance and depth. Now let's dive into application. This is where the work that's been put into the user experience really shows up. Pure EVO is a thick, highly concentrated SiO2 formula that's easy to apply, but even easier to remove across multiple working environments. Let's start with consumption. The GYEON EVO lineup is built for 30 ml of product to cover what 50 ml used to. The coatings will spread evenly and smoothly over large panels, and the key to that is the all-new GYEON microfiber applicator included in every kit. You also have freedom in the style in which you apply the coatings. Now, Pure EVO has been designed with a maximum removal window of up to 10 minutes. So if you like to apply to small areas and remove immediately, you can do so. The initial bond of the coating happens within seconds. If you like to apply to larger panels or larger sections of the car, you can do that as well with a maximum of 10 minutes removal time with very minimal feel in the removal process. But always remember to pay attention to your working environment. The higher humidity, the faster the solvents release from the coating, and the quicker you'll want to remove them from the panel. So if you're in a high humidity environment, while 10 minutes is possible, you may want to play with 1 to 3 minutes, but test a few spots and see what works best for you. Now let's apply Pure EVO. The first step is to always ensure that any lubricants or oils from a previous detailing or polishing step have been properly removed from the paint. If necessary, perform a degreasing wash and always finish with a wipe down of Q2M prep. Apply a generous amount of Pure EVO to the included microfiber applicator. Don't be shy with how much product we apply to the paint. Remember, we want a thick, durable layer of ceramic coating. 30 ml is just right to completely cover your standard 2-door or 4-door car. If you're working on a truck or you want to apply multiple layers, jump up to the 50 ml bottle. Now apply Pure EVO to the paint in the style in which you're most comfortable with. We don't need the hyper-technical, perfectly overlapping 50-50 crosshatch patterns of previous coatings. Apply to a small or large area before removal, but I wouldn't go past applying to more than half the car before you start your initial removal process. For removal, use at least 2 high-quality microfiber towels. We recommend the GYEON Bald Wipe and Soft Wipe. I like to do my initial wipe off with the tight-knit Bald Wipe and come back immediately with the long-fibered Soft Wipe to pick up any excess material. Quick removal tip. Do not rest your removal towel on the paint or glass in between panels. It can leave a deposit of coating that will dry while you're working and result in a high spot when you're finished. Now that you have successfully installed GYEON Q² Pure EVO, you have a high quality, highly concentrated SiO2 layer of protection that looks amazing and will keep your car protected for years to come. Enjoy.